Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're taking a look at periodic report and functionality on the ER180U register. So if you've seen my previous videos, I've demonstrated how to do standard X and Z reports. I'm now going to demonstrate how you can use the periodic function to get weekly, monthly or quarterly reports out of the till. So if you've seen the previous video, you've seen at the end of every day you need to do a reset Z1 financial report. So I'll do one now actually. We go to the reset mode, press 1 subtotal, and the theory is if you do this at the end of every trading day, then that report enables you to do the cashing up. So it shows you how much money you've taken, splits it down by tax, department, and also crucially method of payment to help you count up the draw takings and make sure everything's in order. What it also does is it wipes that file down. So I'll prove the point by running another Z report, and basically there'll be no information on here other than the grand total. So that makes it useful because obviously then the next day whoever's cashing up the till is going on those days' figures only. You don't totally lose the data. What happens is that every time you run a reset Z1 financial report, the data is reset in the Z1 file, but it's pushed over into the Z2 file. So by using that, you can then generate weekly, monthly or quarterly reports. The type of report you get over what time period is entirely up to yourself and the routine you develop. So if you want a weekly report, then you need to run the periodic report, which is called a Z2 report, once a week. And likewise, if you want it monthly, you need to run it on the same day of every month. But the till has the facility to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. We'll just close the cash drawer. You can do the X version of the report as well. So if you wanted to see, if you decided to use the periodic reporting for a monthly report, you could run a periodic X report halfway through the month to see how you were doing. And the way you do this is go into the read mode, so 1 past the reg into read, and then 201 subtotal. So instead of 1 subtotal, it's 201 subtotal. So the report looks very similar, but because it's a periodic report, it's all the information since the last time the Z version of this report was run. So if you're using it as a monthly report, this is the month so far. So because we ran the X version of the report, it hasn't reset. So when we get to the end of the month and we want to run the reset version of the report, then all you do is go to reset, so the Z mode, 201 subtotal, and then you get the reset version of the report. I'll just prove the point. 201 subtotal, so this data will be reset apart from the grand total. So the periodic Z report looks exactly the same as a Z report, it's just the figures will be a lot higher because it's a consolidation of all the Z1 reports you've run since the last time you ran the Z periodic report. So that's how you can use it as a monthly report, by running one every month if you're running your Z1 every day. Remember that the till doesn't know the day or the month or the quarter. It's only giving you a report of all the reports it's done, so it's down to you to make the report a monthly report. You can't do it 2 days late and say I want the report for May. You have to run it at the same time every month in order to make it a genuine monthly report. Okay, as with running all reports, whenever you've printed the report, I always turn the key, hit the mode switch to go back to off or back to reg for more sales. I've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the ER180U. Some of those will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks.